In today's video, I will give you 7 easy ways how to turn ChatGPT into a cash machine. These are 7 simple ways to make $2,000 plus monthly. If you've been watching the digital economy evolve, you've probably heard the buzz around AI, and more specifically, ChatGPT. But what if I told you that this isn't just some fancy tool for nerds or students looking to cheat on essays? ChatGPT is quite literally a cash machine for anyone willing to learn how to wield it. I'm about to walk you through 7 clear, proven, and beginner-accessible ways to turn this AI tool into a steady $2,000 plus monthly income stream. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through. That's how I get compensated for laboring to put together and bring you this valuable information. Thank you very much for your kind support. Now let's continue. Each of these methods requires no formal degree, minimal startup costs, and can be done entirely online, often from your phone or laptop. But to win, you must approach this like an entrepreneur, not a hobbyist. Ready to turn intelligence into income? Let's dive in. 1. Freelance writing and copywriting with ChatGPT. What it is. Businesses, influencers, and bloggers constantly need content, blogs, emails, sales pages, social posts. ChatGPT acts as your 24/7 writing partner, helping you pump out polished, professional-level content in half the time. How it makes money. Freelancers on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer regularly charge $50 to $300 plus per project. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can take on more clients and meet shorter deadlines, increasing your earning potential. How to start. Build a portfolio of ChatGPT-assisted work, e.g. blog posts, product descriptions. Create gigs on Fiverr titled high-converting blog posts or SEO product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to draft and refine content quickly, then human edit it for voice, tone, and clarity. Pro tip: learn the basics of SEO and persuasive writing. Combine those skills with ChatGPT to become a conversion-focused copywriter, a niche that pays more. 2. Social media content creation and scheduling. What it is. Businesses need consistent, on-brand, and engaging social media content, but most of them don't have time to post daily. You can step in as a content manager, using ChatGPT to generate post captions, ideas, and scripts for Reels, carousels, and TikToks. How it makes money. Charge $300 to $1,000 per month per client, depending on the platform and number of posts. Just 3 to 5 clients could replace a full-time income. How to start. Offer content calendar creation using ChatGPT, e.g., 30 days of Instagram posts for fitness coaches. Use free tools like Canva for visuals and Buffer or Later for scheduling. Pitch small businesses via Instagram DMs or LinkedIn, showing mock posts ChatGPT helped you write. Pro tip: niche down to phrase like, I create daily content for real estate agents on IG and TikTok. Specialists always earn more than generalists. 3. AI-powered resume and cover letter services. What it is. Job seekers are overwhelmed and stressed. You can use ChatGPT to instantly generate polished, customized resumes and cover letters tailored to specific job descriptions. How it makes money. Charge $50 to $200 per package, resume plus cover letter plus LinkedIn profile help. Upsell with career coaching or job application strategy. How to start. Offer services on Upwork or start a simple landing page with Google Sites. Ask clients for their job posting and past work history. Prompt ChatGPT to generate ATS-optimized resumes, then manually polish formatting. Pro tip: learn basic resume design and keyword optimization. This lets you outperform competitors who rely on templates alone. 4. YouTube script writing and channel management. What it is. YouTubers need scripts that educate, entertain, and convert viewers into subscribers. ChatGPT is perfect for creating engaging intros, story-driven middle sections, and call-to-action outros. How it makes money. Charge per script or monthly retainer, like $50 to $100 per video script. Add services like title generation, thumbnail ideas, or content calendars for recurring income. How to start. Offer your services on freelancer platforms or DM YouTubers with under 100K subs. Use ChatGPT to write or rewrite scripts in a specific voice or format. Offer to turn long podcasts into video scripts or short-form ideas. Pro tip: combine with tools like Pictor, CapCut, or Descript to also offer basic video editing and boost your pricing. 5. Chatbot and customer service automation for businesses. What it is. Many small businesses don't have a 24/7 customer support team. You can use ChatGPT to build custom chatbot flows that answer FAQs, take orders, or handle appointment scheduling. How it makes money. Charge $300 to $2,000 per setup plus monthly retainers for updates. High ticket if you target high-value industries, e.g. dental offices, real estate, luxury e-com. How to start. Learn to connect ChatGPT with tools like ManyChat, Tidio, or even simple email autoresponders. Pitch businesses with the value proposition. Free up 10+ hours a week of customer service time. Use case studies to show time saved and improved conversions. Pro tip: offer free audits of current customer messaging, then upsell your AI automation solution. 6. Self-publishing with ChatGPT. What it is. You can use ChatGPT to help outline, draft, and edit short ebooks, guides, or low-content books, like journals or planners, then publish them on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. How it makes money. Ebooks priced at $2.99 to $9.99 can generate passive income with the right niche and marketing. Some authors make $1,000 plus per month on just 3 to 5 titles. How to start. Choose a niche. Example, personal finance, productivity, wellness. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm chapter outlines, expand content, and refine flow. Format using Readsy, then publish on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. Pro tip: bundle books or offer upsells like workbooks, audio versions, or coaching to increase lifetime customer value. 7. Niche blogging or newsletter monetization. What it is. Blogging isn't dead. In fact, if done right, niche blogs and email newsletters can generate serious ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and product sales. ChatGPT helps you scale content production quickly and affordably. How it makes money. Monetize via ad networks such as Google AdSense, Mediavine, affiliate marketing like Amazon, ClickBank, Share a Sale, digital product sales, or coaching services. How to start. Pick a niche you can commit to long-term: tech gadgets, parenting tips, side hustles. Use ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly articles and email content weekly. Drive traffic via Pinterest, Medium, or Reddit while building your email list. Pro tip: focus on high RPM niches, finance, software, health, where each 1,000 views can earn you $20 to $100 plus in ad or affiliate revenue. Final thoughts: turn AI into income, one stream at a time. Here's the truth: ChatGPT is like a modern-day gold mine, but it doesn't dig itself. The people making real money aren't just prompting. They're solving real problems for real people using this tool as their secret weapon. You don't need to master all 7 methods. Pick one that aligns with your strengths, commit to learning the business behind it, and use ChatGPT to multiply your output and speed. Success isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building automated, scalable digital income streams that keep working, even when you're not. And with tools like ChatGPT in your arsenal, there's never been a better time to start. Now you know the methods. The question is, will you execute? Because this is how you turn ChatGPT into a cash machine. The 7 simple ways to make $2,000 plus monthly. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.